Winnie the Pooh Trail is a smaller loop inside of the Goodwill Conservation Trail in Barrington, New Hampshire. It is less than a mile and has lots of fun signs, stories, and homes of the Winnie the Pooh characters to explore. Although this hike is short, you can spend a lot of time here. Parking here is always free. Next is Odeon Point State Park. This state park has a lot to offer and is very versatile. There are lots of trails that wind through the park through rocky beaches, old military forts, and dense vegetation. You can decide how far you'd like to go with options to loop or to go out and back. After hiking, you can picnic on the beach or at one of the many picnic tables available. Odeon charges a parking fee during peak hours in the summertime. Then there is Wagon Hill Farm. We go here a lot. This piece of land used to be privately owned but was given to the town of Durham as conservation. There are lots of different trails and loops throughout this farm, giving you a lot of different options for how long you want to hike for. There are trails through the grassy plains as well as trails through the thickly wooded areas. There is also a gravel walking trail that leads you directly to the Great Bay. Lots of options here and parking is always free. Now, Gonic Trails is a little bit outside of the Seacoast area, but they're too good not to mention. These trails, located in the outskirts of Rochester, New Hampshire, are managed by Waste Management. There are 3 main trails ranging from 1.3 miles to 7 miles. My favorite part of this hike is that the trail will lead you to the Isinglass River, where there is a roaring waterfall. Parking here is always free. If you want more content like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also head over to our blog, lifehasitsperks.com.